امریکی صدر ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ نے دعویٰ کیا ہے کہ ایران نے یقین دہانی کرائی ہے کہ وہ نہ صرف ایٹمی ہتھیار بنائے گا بلکہ ایٹم بم بھی نہیں خریدے گا۔ امریکہ اور ایران معاہدے کے بہت قریب ہیں، ڈیل پر دستخط ہوتے ہی آبنائے ہرمز کھول دی جائے گی۔ ساتھ ہی خبردار کیا کہ اگر ایران کے ساتھ ایک اچھی ڈیل نہ ہوئی تو دوبارہ فوجی آپریشن کرنا پڑے گا۔ ٹرمپ کے مطابق ایران اس وقت بہت بری حالت میں ہے، جو چاہتے ہیں وہ ایران سے حاصل کر رہے ہیں، سارے پتے امریکہ کے پاس ہیں۔
They originally said, we will not develop a nuclear weapon. I said, well, what happens if you buy a nuclear weapon? So now it says we will not develop or in any way purchase a military weapon. That's a big difference. If we didn't hit them with the B-2 bombers 9 months ago, they would have a nuclear weapon right now, and it would be a whole different story. Probably would have used it. You probably wouldn't have had you wouldn't have had Israel, but you probably wouldn't have had a Middle East. And then where do they go from there? Their Navy is totally gone, 100%. Their Air Force is totally gone, 100%. Their military, we sort of left it alone because we think that their military is somewhat moderate. They have other people that aren't moderate. We've taken them out. We've taken different forms of leadership out. We've actually left their military alone. People would be surprised to hear that. Because mistakes have been made in wars where you wipe out everybody and then you have a country that's, for 40 years can never rebuild.